Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about what is sustainable fashion in the apparel industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. What is sustainable fashion? Sustainable fashion is a growing movement and here to stay. Sustainable fashion. Sustainable fashion is a part of the growing design philosophy and movement towards environmental and social sustainability, the goal of which is to create a system which can be supported indefinitely in terms of human impact on the environment and social responsibility. You will often see people using sustainable fashion interchangeably with other terms like eco-friendly fashion, ethical fashion, and slow fashion. If you don't know where to start with sustainable fashion, the first thing you can do is buy fewer new clothes and extend the life of your existing clothes. After that, you should start researching and finding brands that are making their clothes in a more sustainable way. This could mean they use recycled materials, organic and locally sourced materials. The environmental impact of the fashion industry. It's well known that the fashion industry is one of the main industries driving waste. Over 8% of yearly greenhouse emissions are caused by the fashion industry, and that's not set to slow down anytime soon. That's more than air travel and maritime travel emissions combined. Each year, it's estimated that the fashion industry uses 79 billion cubic meters of water. What makes this more concerning is that most places where manufacturing takes place are already water scarce. Traditional manufacturing processes leads to huge waste, and the average amount of water used producing a single pair of jeans is up to 7,000 liters. Waste reduction on a personal level. There is a huge issue of waste at both the consumer and manufacturing level. The average American throws away around 70 pounds of clothes each year, and we keep our clothes for almost 40% less time than we did 15 years ago. The rise of fast fashion and the consumerism has fueled that. However, as consumers realizing the impact that's having and making a conscious effort to use clothes more can be a great first step. Only 15% of people recycle their old and used clothing, and most of that is still in perfectly good condition. As consumers, there's a clear need for reduction. However, it's unfair to place all of the blame on people who are being marketed to and targeted by fast fashion companies, whose clothing isn't made to last anyway. Reduce social harm. 71 leading clothing retailers in the UK were surveyed, and 77% believe there was a likelihood of modern slavery occurring at some stage in their supply chains. It's no secret that fashion retailers all over the world have been involved in fueling modern slavery through the use of factories paying unfair wages to local laborers, usually in economically troubled areas. By continuing to purchase from fast fashion retailers, we are implicit in continuing this dangerous cycle that directly causes harm to people involved in the manufacturing process. 7 ways to make your clothing habits more sustainable. Purchase bespoke or custom made items. Purchasing bespoke and custom made items is a great option to shop in a more sustainable way. Unfortunately, it's traditionally associated with higher prices that are out of most people's budget. However, a range of sustainable brands are now using an approach that reduces waste by making clothes to order without breaking the bank. Companies like Hackfit Design House have a completely made to order and made in the USA production process for their clothes. Free rangers make a range of vegan shoes and accessories all made by hand when you order. Buy from green companies. A clear first step is to stop supporting fashion companies contributing to massive waste in their manufacturing process. A general rule of thumb is that if a company isn't transparent about their process, they are probably not making their clothes in an eco-friendly way. Brands like Tone, Fordays, and Rayburn are all examples of fashion retailers with zero waste and responsible manufacturing processes that include using recycled materials, natural dyes, and having consumer recycling programs. Only buy clothes that will still be fashionable in 5 years. A key issue with the fashion industry is that it's extremely seasonable. Something you buy this year might look completely out of fashion next year. Fast fashion companies make their money from fulfilling demand for the latest trends. Yet everything is made to a relatively low quality standard and it won't last long and isn't going to be on trend next year. A way around this issue is to buy clothes that are still going to look good in 5 years and can withstand changes in trends. It may not sound like the most exciting approach. However, there are a range of cool brands making clothes with this very purpose in mind. Buy from companies with ethical social practices. You shouldn't be supporting companies exploiting their workers through poor working conditions, unfair wages, and overall poor practices. An easy step here is to do some background research into the clothing companies you buy from to make sure they are paying fair wages and their workers are fairly compensated. Companies like Crochet Kids International and Reformation are two examples of clothing companies paying anti-poverty and living wages to their workers and who offers a huge amount of transparency to consumers into their manufacturing processes. Repair, upcycle and reuse your clothes. A huge amount of waste is created on the production side, but as we have seen, consumer waste still contributes to much of the waste in the fashion industry. If your jeans get a rip or tear or a seam comes loose, there's no need to throw them out. You can either repair them yourself or find a local repair shop to fix them for you. There are multiple sustainable fashion brands that incorporate upcycling and recycling into their clothing. Brands like Peggy Sue upcycle cotton from old denim to use in new clothes, and Steve Krohn turns vintage and thrifted clothes into one-off unique custom items. Rent, lease and swap. Finally, you can rent, lease and swap your old clothing to make a positive impact. You might be thinking where I can rent, lease or swap my clothes for new ones. A few years ago, you might have only been able to swap clothes with people on forums and at events dedicated to clothes swaps. Now there are innovative, sustainable brands like 4Days who let you essentially rent clothes and swap them whenever you need new ones. With 4Days, you purchase an item and when you are done with it, you pay a smaller fee to swap it for a brand new one. The brand then recycles and turns your old item into new. Buy second-hand and vintage clothes. Not all of the best clothes are brand new. Visiting second-hand and vintage clothing shops in your city can be a brilliant way to discover hidden unique gems. You can purchase the clothes knowing you have extended their life and reducing the waste that putting them in landfill would have created. The clothes you can usually find in good vintage stores are generally high quality too, since they have already lasted and are good enough quality to sell again. Difference among slow fashion, sustainable fashion and ethical fashion. Slow fashion is usually described as the opposite of fast fashion. Instead of the rapid buying and discarding of clothes, slow fashion refers to the clothing itself. It involves an intention to consider the process and resources required to make the garment, including the style, design and quality. As such, slow fashion is less about the fluctuating trends that inspire the garment and more about buying timeless and classic pieces that can last you for years to come. Sustainable fashion refers to the way that clothing is designed, manufactured and distributed and the effect of that production process on the environment. This controls the use of natural and sustainable fabrics, the chemicals used in dyes for various colors, water and waste treatment, energy reduction, and even packaging. Ethical fashion refers to how clothing is made. It may sound similar to sustainable fashion. However, instead of determining the effect of the production process on the environment, ethical fashion encompasses everything from the conditions under which the material used have been created to the human rights of the garment workers who make the clothing themselves. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.